Hi guys, welcome to Sweet and Chili Peppers. In today's video, we are making simple and healthy stir-fried vegetables. For this recipe, we will be using broccoli, yellow and red bell peppers, mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. Let's begin with the cooking. First, we need to cut the broccoli into small florets. We will boil them for not more than 5 minutes. Overboiling broccoli is not advised as it leads to loss of nutrients. As an alternative, one can also steam the broccoli. I usually boil it for 5 minutes and then transfer it under cold water so that the cooking process stops. We will roughly chop the bell peppers. Chopping some garlic, so these are the ingredients that we will be using for the stir fry. Please keep the ingredients ready. I also added some onion to the vegetables because we want to make the stir fry real quick. So I've already heated some olive oil with butter in a big size saucepan because we have quite a few things to toss. I also added chopped garlic, which we will wait for it to turn a little brown. Adding the onions. Please make sure that the flame is high. You really don't want to eat soggy vegetables. Now I've added the mushrooms. Quickly toss it for a minute. Adding the cherry tomatoes. In goes the broccoli. Don't overcook the vegetables because in a stir fry you don't like to eat vegetables that are overcooked. For seasoning, I am using onion powder, this is ginger powder, And finally, we will add the bell peppers. Mix everything well. Finally, I'm adding the salt. You should add salt towards the end, otherwise you know what will happen to the vegetables. It will all become soggy. To finish off, I'm adding some red chili flakes. And yeah, it's pretty much done. You can sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of the vegetables and it will be ready to eat. Try this recipe at home, and if you like it, then you know what you have to do. You have to just like, share and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.